In this tutorial, I will show you stacked column graph tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. You can access stacked column graph tool from here. Just right clicking, and this is stacked column graph tool. I am accessing this tool and draw an area in the canvas. You can see this is stacked column graph. So I am deleting this. I am typing here Illustrator, Photoshop, After Effects. After that, I am typing here Basic, Advanced, Pro. So I am pressing here Basic, Illustrator 3, Advanced 4, Pro 6. After that, I am accepting this, and you can see this is stacked. Here is the legend, After Effects, Photoshop, Illustrator, and this is Basic, Advanced, Pro. These are the stacked in a column, and this is called stacked column graph tool. You can edit, you can import data from your PC, also transpose row or column, also cell and style. You can style your cell from here. Also, if you want, I am now deleting this. Now I am right clicking here and accessing type. You can add drop shadow. You can change the legend position to the top, and also column width you can increase or decrease, and here is value axis, you can change it, and category axis I have already discussed in previous tutorial. I hope you will watch this. So now you can see here is the legend. So you can change in this way. Here is I am accessing direct selection tool, and you can see this is drop shadow tool. You can change this color. You can change the drop shadow color by selecting with direct selection tool. Now I am changing color to you can see I am changing it. Also, you can change any legend to color. You can change the color to, you see, first of all, this is, and you can change color from here. This is RGB, and you can see. Also, I'm selecting quickly from here. Making it red. Another. This is. Change this color. So, in this way, also you can turn off. You can see you can access this group selection tool and select this. You can select this and turn off the stroke from here. So in this way you can create stacked column graphs for your data visualization project. That was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.